No? What you doing? Are you drinking juice?
Yeah.
Where's your juice? Where's your cheese? Is this your cheese?
Yeah.
Here, you want your cheese?
Dada.
You're welcome. Oh, you don't want your cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese and juice? Oh, yeah. That's the puzzle that goes off whenever the light changes.
Yeah.
We gotta take the batteries out of that.
Juice.
Juice.
Cheese.
Cheese and juice.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. Good girl eating your cheese. Or not. Oh, no thank you. You can have it. Okay.
Dada.
Thank you.
Dada.
Thank you.
Dada. 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 Cheese.
Oh, what happened? Oh, you can have it. Thank you for the offer, but you can have it.
Yeah.
You want me to take it? Okay, thank you. I got it. You want your juice?
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. I don't think you're gonna eat your cheese. You want me to get you something else? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I don't know what that means. Hat? You want a hat? What do you want?
Hat, 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 hat.
I'm pretty sure you don't want a hat. Do you want something to eat?
This.
Fish? You want fish? Is that what you want? Fish?
No.
No? I think you mean yes. Juice.
Hummy, huh?
What are you doing?
Meow. Meow.
I think you're signing something, but I don't quite know what. I know we've got juice and cheese. Okay, done with cheese.
Uh-oh.
Well, not really, because you threw it. Juice for me? Thank you. Thank you. What do you want now?